Meghalaya kadang haban Thied Haduh khat 8,000 ton ka Dohkha na Shabar Jilla haka shisian shisnem namar ka jing penmi nala ka jong ka Jilla kampat dap satia. Ya kani la jubab do menteri rangba ka Jilla Konrad ke sangma haba jubab halor ka jingkeli bawan ra do MLA ka mauring keneng ba HS Kharpran hakikanta keli jingkeli haying dorbar thawan ka Jilla. Shwa kani menteri rangba ula pentip ru ba ka Jilla menta kalala ban penmi Haduh 4,000 ton ka Dohkha haka shisnem. Uang ruba nadu usnam 8,000 arpau Haduh 8,000 arpusau kiladon Haduh 1,000 arspa khatlai teli ki pung Dohkha ki balashna na kiskim baper.
So the reply to question 41A, sir, 3,230 numbers. Reply to question 41B, sir, 97 crores and 68 lakhs.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, out of this 3,230 numbers of fish ponds, how many of them belong to the individual beneficiaries and how many belong to the community, and what are the schemes?
Sir, there's a large number of 3,200. I will not have the exact breakup of how many are individual and how many are community based, but it is mixed, sir. There are some individuals and some community based. And basically, sir, this particular program includes aspects of fish seed being given, fish feed being given, and at the same time for area expansion, for capacity building, so on and so forth. Sir, there are different criteria and different aspects which are included in this particular scheme, sir.
So, what is the producing capacity of fish in our state in tons annually, sir?
Sir, when this program started in 2011, our capacity was 4,000 metric tons. And today, after the entire inputs and the programs being implemented at different levels, our production is increased from 4,000 metric tons to 20,000 metric tons today. And the total requirement of the state is about 32,000 metric tons. And that is why we have the new mission for Aqua Mission 3, which we're going to launch. So we're hopeful that with another additional 4,000 hectares being included, we should be able to be self-sufficient in the days to come, sir.
Sir, at present, how many metric tons of fish does Meghalaya have to import from outside, sir, any year?
Sir, as I mentioned, the total demand is 32,000 metric tons, and the production is 20,000. So maths is quite simple. 12,000 metric tons we have to import from outside.
So another question, sir. Suppose in 1 hectare, for instance, you are giving 10 lakhs for one beneficiary. So I want to know, sir, out of this 10 lakhs, for instance, how many the loan component and how much is subsidy component on the contribution of the farmers concerned?
Sir, there are two programs that are being run by the government. One is a central government scheme, which is the PMMSY, and there is the Meghalaya Aqua Mission. So for the Meghalaya Aqua Mission, sir, for per hectare, we are giving 16,75,000. Out of this, sir, 60% is subsidy, 15% is loan, and the beneficiary's own contribution is 25%. Under the PMMSY, per hectare, it's 12,40,000. Subsidy is 60% and own contribution is 40%.
So, is there any mechanism, sir, to curb this formalin injection, sir? It has happened before.
Sir, yes, these are incidents that we have heard of before. Sir, there is actually always a joint effort by the food safety, the Commissioner of Food Safety is there, sir, under the Health Department. And there's always a joint operation, or you can say exercise, that's conducted every once in a while. And there is no way for us to check every kg or every piece of fish that comes in. But these kind of inspections do allow us to then identify maybe the suppliers or the different wholesalers who are actually sending fish that may have formalin in it. And accordingly, sir, appropriate action is taken.
So one last question, sir. What are those fish varieties which our farmers are taking up, sir?
Sir, there are basically two kind of varieties mainly, which is the Indian major carp and the other is the exotic carp. So under the Indian major carp, we have the katla fish, the roho and the mrigal. Under the exotic carp, we have a common carp, silver carp and grass carp.
Sir.